Okay everyone, this is a special video. This is making the twisted high-rise building tutorial to render AI. First of all, we can use the rotate rectangle and click from this origin and click until to this position, approximately 40 meter. Then we can set the depth of this building around 30 meter in here. Okay, maybe we can add the length again. Then we can click this surface and push it up until the proportional height in here, approximately just like this. Then we can triple click make group. Okay, then this is the simple box, and we can click this box rotation. Then we can click this midpoint. Then we can click the box twisting, click this axis. Then we can twice in here like this. Okay, so this is the twisting of this box. You can see about it, and then we can try to twisting again. Sorry, we can try to twisting with the FREDOSCALE plugin in here. Click box twisting, click this axis, then click this secondary midpoint. Then we can type 90 degree. We can type a 90. Okay, so this is the twisting with the 90 degree twisting with the FREDOSCALE with the box twisting tools in here. Okay, this is the result, and then it's not finished, but we have to continue to explore more about the making the frame in here, about making the curtain wall frame on the twisting face like this. And then and after that we can duplicate this one and select a move. We can select move, type control, click this point and then to this point. Okay, right now we can click this form, this object, and we can erase for any face over there. Then we can just let this curvy line and also the straight line on the bottom and also above. And then we can click this line. We can click this line, and then we can select the CURVYLOFT. Okay, we can select the CURVYLOFT skin contour in here. This is the CURVYLOFT plugin. Okay, this is about the result about the vertex. This is about the vertex, and then we can divide it into the several floor in here. Okay, maybe we can try to type interpol first. Okay, so then we can activate the interpolation again. Then we can click this one. Then we can type 10 and then click enter. Okay, so it will be a simplification about the it will be simplificate about this wall panel on this surface. Then if we add more, if it will be increase the surface dividing. Then we can type 5. When we can type 5, it will be decrease the surface dividing in here. And then we can see about the right side, it's very tight. It's very tight, so we can choose the sampling. Okay, we can choose the sampling. Okay, we can type just 15 and enter. So it will be simplified. Then we can simplify it again. We can type 10 and then enter. Okay, it will be a proportional look in here, and then we can type finish in here. Okay, and after that we can click this one, and then we can activate the angle in this menu. We can click the soften edge and we can drag to the left side, so it will be beautiful. It will be simple and beautiful dividing panels on this tower, on this wall panel tower in here. Okay, and after that we can also erase this one. We can also erase or just move to the left side. Okay, this is the positioning. Okay, and then we can divide. We can move it to the another side. now we can focus on this position on this building. Okay, now we can see about the angle. We can see about the angle. We can choose about the beautiful angle in here. Okay, I think it was a beautiful angle. Then we can assign with the glazing materials. Now we can select the glazing materials in here with using blue glass. Then we can set the opacity, and then set the opacity in here. Okay, I think it was a beautiful angle in here. Okay, so we can see what the twice that angle over there. Okay, just like this. Then now we can set the camera with the 2-point perspective. Then okay, and after that we can screenshot. Okay, we can screenshot this one. Okay, and copy it, and then we can go to the Gemini platform. Then we can paste the raw render picture in here. Then we can copy about this prompting. I've already prepared about the prompting. Then we can click this one, right click, and also paste. And then we can activate the create image tools in here, and then we can just click submit. Then it takes several times, so we have to be patient about the waiting about the result of the high-rise building 3D render with the AI that we have already prepared about the prompting for the realistic rendering of this rendering AI. Okay, we can see about the result, but it's getting like in here. Okay, so this is about the result. The first result. Right now we can try to make the another rendering again. We can copy it. Okay, and then we can see about the another result in here. Okay, we can see about the another result. Then we can compare between the first result and the second result of it. Okay, then just wait about this prompting or rendering result. Okay, I think it was great. It was a great result. It not only rendering but gives us the experience, the vibes of the rendering. This is the first vibes. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial, and don't forget to join the membership of this channel. Thank you.